Hi, welcome to my latest listing at 4065 Confederation Parkway, unit 2509. It has a beautiful cool ash flooring. It's a one bedroom. We're 567 square feet with a 109 square foot balcony with that killer view, and that balcony spans the entire width of the unit. Wonderful about this unit is it has a beautiful unobstructed view of the lake. We're south facing, it's bright, it's airy, tall ceilings, spa bathroom. Universities, transit, highways, you name it, it's here. Lots of restaurants, amazing shopping as we know. So come on through and enjoy your tour.